Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my daily eye makeup routine with a twist, the no makeup look. This soft and suitable style is perfect for enhancing your natural beauty while keeping things fresh and effortless. It's like magic, you'll look stunning without anyone knowing you're wearing makeup. Ready to get that chic everyday glow? Let's dive right in. Have some fun. Hit that subscribe button for more incredible ideas.